start by holding this, and then, or maybe I should have a plastic first para pag humagputo labay sa basurahan dayon. Okay, we have our plastic now. Hindi nato ilabay ang mga gipanggunting. So let's start by doing that like that. In Japanese, this is called kirimodoshi. Cut back. Let's cut back our African daisies. Okay. Na. Putlun. You see this like that. Hold the tip. Don't worry about the flowers, they will come back. And then dito cutting back all the spent flowers, some flowers. Anak na siya. May bulak. Needs deadheading. That's what we're gonna do. Keep this. Hindi pa kabaloon saon. Nalibog pa. Okay. Just got them. Let's reposition the camera.